Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch on an iPad. First, select a drawing application that suits your artistic style, such as Procreate or Adobe Fresco. Next, open the app and take a moment to explore its layout. Locate essential tools like brushes, layers, and color palettes. Finally, set up your canvas. A common resolution for digital art is 300 dots per inch, ensuring crisp lines and vibrant colors for your masterpiece. Now, let's dive into the core tools. Begin by choosing a basic pencil or sketching brush for your initial outlines. Layers are incredibly useful. Think of them as transparent sheets, allowing you to draw separate elements without affecting others. You can have 10 or more layers in a complex drawing. Try out different brush types, from fine lines to broad strokes, to discover what works best for your artistic vision. With your basic sketch in place, it's time to add detail and color. Zoom in to refine your lines and incorporate smaller elements, bringing your drawing to life. Select your desired colors from the palette and apply them using the fill bucket or a painting brush. Don't forget to experiment with blending modes, like multiply or overlay, to create realistic shadows and highlights, adding a three-dimensional feel to your artwork. Once your sketch is complete, it's crucial to save and share your creation. Always save your work in a high-resolution format, such as a PNG or TIFF, to preserve quality. Most apps offer an export option, allowing you to share directly to social media platforms or email. You might choose a JPEG for web sharing due to its smaller file size, or a PSD if you plan further edits in another program.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.